Good morning and welcome to another episode of Behind the Closed Doors. It's Saturday and it means that we have a workshop. Now officially the model today would be Melissa, but she fell off the stairs. Yeah, well, we wish you all the strength, Melissa, you need to recover. And well, that's my problem. Today it's a glamour workshop and I don't do a lot of glamour photography, so that means that we don't have a lot of models. So we put an advert online and I think we got an amazing replacement. So join us for today's episode of Behind the Closed Doors, the Glamour Workshop. And today we will be shooting again with the Sony A7R II. But of course one of the most important things when you're back from a trip is making your backup. So at the moment my lassie is copying everything to the Drobos. And well, that's incredibly important because with digital files, if you don't make a backup and it's gone forever. And when it's done copying to the Drobo, we actually make an extra backup on our Synology NAS. And those are over there. So a lot of work. And the workshop is about to start in about half an hour. Up with quite some noise, and actually we found this and we had to save him, of course. Where is he? So we're now calling the vet because he has a lot of blood, but he's really relaxed now, so yeah, you can't leave a baby like this out, right? Okay, and that was the workshop Glamour. I hope you enjoyed it. And oh my, Sharon did really well. I'm always a little bit nervous with this kind of stuff because I didn't do a test shoot with Sharon, and normally we have test shoots before we use models for workshops. But she rocked it. She was absolutely awesome. Oh, by the way, we got something really cool in the mail. My replacement for the Apple Watch. The Garmin Vivo Active Heart Rate XL. So we're going to test that one out, and if you're interested, Leave comments below and let me know if you're interested in it, and I will do a quick overview somewhere next week. And if you're not interested in it, don't leave any comments below. Hey, do you want to see the images from today? We're gonna do a quick slideshow for you guys, so enjoy the images.
If I find my way home, yeah. Wouldn't it be crazy? Oh, don't you still amaze me? Wouldn't it be crazy? Oh, don't you still amaze me? Wouldn't it be crazy? Oh, don't you still amaze me? Wouldn't it be crazy? Oh, don't you still amaze me? If I find my way home, yeah.
Guys, that was behind the closed doors for today. The lights are going off in our studio, as you can see. The doors are being closed. And of course also the lights here are going down. Okay guys, that was it for today. If you like what we do, please subscribe to our channel, leave comments below, and most of all hit that like button. We really like that. Hey guys, have a great weekend, and we'll see you again probably on Tuesday, because then we have a workshop, creativity and styling. See you then. Bye bye. This was actually the place where we found the bird this morning. I hope he does alright.